let's talk about Bitcoin. Good morning guys, my second video today. I promised you I'll make the dollar index video today and I just recorded that. Now I'm gonna make a short-term update for Bitcoin. There's been some development in the charts. There's a certain level which we struggle to reclaim. I talked about the 20K region, and there's exactly at 20,300 a very strong resistance level that we're just trying to reclaim right now. And of course guys, I'm gonna keep updating you on what's developing in the charts every single day. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I update on the Bitcoin price, no matter where the market is going, up, down or sideways. And of course, help me out here, smash up the like button, share with your friends, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of the content. What can I improve? What do you agree with? What do you disagree with? I want to hear it all. Now guys, let's dive into the charts. Right guys, starting out here on the daily chart now, of course only looking at the smaller time frames here on the daily chart and the 4-hourly. If you want to see what my opinion is on the larger time frames, make sure to check out yesterday's video and the day before where I talked about the exact bottom options for Bitcoin. Now what we want to see here is the trend. Of course, we've been in this downtrend since the 48K top here on the smaller scale on the daily chart. And what we want to keep our eyes on now is the triangle pattern that's been developing. Of course, a continuation pattern that's indicating further downside for Bitcoin. But nonetheless, we're sitting right at resistance right now. And what we want to achieve here, of course, is break above it, then confirm by closing back above the previous high here, right around 21,600 on a daily closing basis, to then reach the top of the channel here again, our resistance coming here from the downtrend. And then we want to get back into the previous range, right around 29K, clear the tops there, 32K, what I talked about in my previous videos. Once we get above 32K and confirm there, we're showing a very strong attempt at a trend reversal on the larger time frames as well. Now let's walk down the line and look at the smallest time frame on the 4-hourly chart as well. Right guys, here on the 4-hourly chart now, another chart that you're very familiar with if you've been following. Also a chart that I've been posting a ton over on Twitter in the last few days in TradingView. Make sure to follow me over there as well. Here you can see the handles. And I'm talking about, of course, this ascending channel. A lot of people have been looking at a triangle, a similar triangle that I've been looking at on the daily chart here. But guys, you know, I always focus on horizontals rather than verticals and diagonals. And here what I'm focusing on is, of course, the green line at the top coming from that neckline and the range highs. This is the ultimate line that we want to close above here on this chart. But then, of course, the red line, the 20,300 region that I've been talking about for a week or longer now as well. This is the level that we've been struggling to get back on top now. You can see we're currently trying to build support here, but also looking quite shaky right now. So at the bottom also you see the diagonal trend line here, and this of course is a good reference here to use as a line to see if we're making higher lows here. We want to continue making higher lows on a smaller scale here and then break above that red line to regain the 20K region. That's what I told you guys. My most bullish scenario for the moment is to reclaim that 20K region, and that's exactly what we've been trying to do over the last few days. So of course I'm going to keep my eyes on that and keep updating you, not only here but over on Twitter and TradingView as well. And of course guys, here we have the Fibonacci retracement, the retracement that I've been looking at for the last 2 weeks with you as well. Here coming from the range highs all the way to the range bottoms. And there, these levels I marked a couple of weeks ago here, 20,900, 20,300 and 19,700. That exact range that we've been trading in right now. And we're trying to reclaim that 20,300 level, of course. The key level that I've talked about for the last few days, where I also told you before the weekend already, my most bullish scenario for Bitcoin for the short term is to reclaim the 20K level and then get another attempt at the range highs from there. So what we got to do now is here, of course, start building support at the level where we constantly got rejected, giving us a nice fundament to then reach for the top again. And then to continue to the upside, we want to break through 20,900, another key resistance here, and then eventually the range tops right around 22,900 or 23K if you want to play it safe. A 4-hourly close above that is a strong indicator then that we continue up to those targets that we looked at previously on the daily chart, and we looked at previously also on the larger time frames in the last 2 videos that I posted yesterday and the day before. So guys, you've seen it. There's still a lot of resistance here right above us on the smaller time frames. If you look at the daily chart and the 4-hourly chart, We've seen those levels that we still need to reclaim to really see a trend reversal on the larger time frames then, where we have extremely strong resistance coming in from the 200-week SMA and of course the 50-month SMA and other indicators. So guys, I'm going to keep my eyes on this. I'm going to keep updating you. And if you appreciate this kind of content, please make sure to smash up the like button to help me out with the algorithm. And if you're new to the channel and want to hang out more often, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with the Bitcoin price every single day, no matter where the market is going, up, down, or sideways. Now guys, as always, happy trading and see you very soon.